Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to easily change the battery in your Hyundai Tucson key fob. It's a simple process that you can do yourself in just a few minutes. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Having a clean, well-lit area will make this task even easier, and a soft cloth can help protect your fob from any marks. Now that you have your tools ready, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually located on the side or bottom edge of the fob. Carefully insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Take your time to avoid any damage to the casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Then, use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, carefully insert the brand new battery, making sure the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob and gently press them back together. You should hear a satisfying click, confirming that the fob is securely closed and all components are properly seated. Finally, it's time to test your work. Head over to your vehicle and try locking and unlocking the doors to ensure everything is functioning perfectly. Great job!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.